a watermelon. Today I'm gonna be exploding a watermelon with a bunch of rubber bands. I'm ready. What? Okay, so I'm kind of terrified, but let's do it. Aha! That's a lot better, isn't it, darling? That's a lot better. Should I start a new segment called Mel Nye, the Science Guy? Mel Nye, the Science Guy. Don't get too close because I know you're about to blow a beach. I asked my mom to get me a watermelon. She brought the biggest watermelon, the biggest one. Can you believe? My mom goes too hard in the paint. She goes too hard in the paint. I knew it. I knew it. Mom, you couldn't get a smaller watermelon? God damn. I will be eating this watermelon once it explodes. So you know, we don't waste food in this house. We're gonna eat it. His head is too big. Ah! The watermelon's name is Robert. He's a Scorpio. Okay, so here's the tea. I needed to go get more freaking rubber bands because these are too little and he's huge. Goddamn. We're back. 3 hours later, but we're back. Also, I needed to take a break because my hands were burning. These goggles are my little brother's sports prescribed goggles, and I can't see anything with them. I hear it breaking! Oh my god. Ah! Come! Come! Okay, so my boyfriend is holding the camera because I don't want my camera to fall. I don't have a good tripod. Stay there, babe. Whoa! What? I don't know what's happening. So as you guys see, we're having a little bit of trouble making rubber explode. I'm now about to go to CVS again and get more of these because it's really late and Hurricane Dorian is somewhere out there in the Atlantic Ocean. So I'm not risking it. So we're gonna try to do something else.
You put it as tight as you can. No, it's not gonna do it.
Why? Why?
Oh no, I have to go this way.
Oh my god, oh my god!
I'll smash it with a hammer!
Hit it hard, babe. Oh!
I'm gonna hit it again, I'm gonna hit it again.
Alright, but I don't think it's gonna explode.
It's gonna explode.
No, now it's losing pressure. You're recording. Oh my god. I didn't think it was gonna explode.
So it exploded because what even happened, babe?
Like, I didn't think it was gonna blow up. That was losing pressure, but I guess it was. Look.
Oh my gosh. It exploded in my face. Hello? That was awesome, right?
Look at
The walls are all watermelon. Oh my gosh. Babe, it flew. It flew. Like, it went all the way up.
I know, I saw it. That was crazy. It almost hit that thing.
That's pretty much the whole video. The rubber bands, they did work, kind of. But, like, I wasn't going to go again to get more. We used how many?
Like 300?
Like more than 300. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit me with a like and a subscribe. And stay tuned for more videos. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to go ahead and clean all of this now and eat some watermelon. All right. I have watermelon all up in my face. Bye. Woo, woo, woo. Look at this mess. It's everywhere. It's on the walls. Jesus Christ. Look at this. Hello? It's your eyeball. Oh, look down. Oh my god. Remember me. Do I have to travel far? Remember me. Each time you hear a sad guitar. Know that I'm with you is the only thing that I can be. Until you're in my arms again. Remember me.